Welcome back to the TH Detailing YouTube channel, and in this video you join us with the 1990s Ford Escort RS Turbo. This has been an ongoing project for the customer, and he's finally brought it to us for us to work our magic and completely protect the paintwork, the glass, the wheels, the underbody and the interior. This car won't be a garage queen that gets trailered to shows. The customer wants the flexibility to be able to drive this car all year round with peace of mind that every surface is completely protected. Not only that, he plans to attend a few shows this year, so the ceramic coating is going to make cleaning it easier, and when he gets to the show, the car's still going to look flawless. Keep watching to watch us get this car looking better than when it did when it was new. So now, after 5 days, the RS Turbo has been completely machine polished. We've done 2 stages of machine polishing. We've sealed that in with a 5-year ceramic coating with a warranty. We've ceramic coated the glass, the wheels, and the interior. We've also protected the entire underbody with Lanagard underbody protection. This premium professional grade coating will enable the customer to keep his car looking exactly like this. Not only will it continue to look like this, it will also be easier to clean. Every time the customer cleans the vehicle, it will revert back to this current condition. That's perfect with show season up ahead. The customer can now give the car a quick wash before heading to the show and give it a quick wipe over when he arrives at the show. He's also got the peace of mind that if it rains while he's out and about, whether he's using it on a weekend or whether he's attending a show, that it's just a case of cleaning it and drying it and it's back to this perfect condition. Not only that, the underbody is protected against corrosion, especially from salt and all the wet, wintry weather should he wish to use it in the more colder and wetter months. The interior has been deep cleaned and also protected. This will stop the very sought after Recaro seats from fading. It will also make them much easier to clean, which was one of the requirements asked for by the customer. We've also polished and ceramic coated all the brightwork on both the engine and the exhaust for exactly the same reason. When it's time to clean it ahead of the show, it's going to be super simple to clean and very easy to maintain. If you have a vehicle like the Escort RS Turbo that you would like professionally detailed and protected, get in touch with us on 01384 929 075 or visit our website at www.thdetailing.co.uk or visit our studio here in the Stourbridge, West Midlands.